Good morning, Stillwell. Today we are going to sign up, make our selections for Career Day. The first thing you will need to do is go to the West Des Moines Community Schools website. You will want to go to wdmcs.org, and once you are there, you will click on the Students tab. Teachers, pause to make sure that all students get to this spot. What we were going to do is we're going to use our Naviance tool that we used a couple weeks ago to identify what our career interests are. In order to get into this tool, we're going to scroll down to the right side here and click on Naviance Student. When I click on Naviance Student, it will give us a list of different schools in the district. We are going to want to click on Stillwell Junior High. Once you get into Stillwell Junior High, Clever will come up and there will be a bunch of icons. Since it does not show up on my screen, I'm going to show you a picture here of what it looks like on your screen. You are going to want to click on the Naviance picture there. Once you have clicked on the Naviance picture, it will look like, it will look like this. And at the top, you will see welcome and your name here. Teachers, make sure that all students are at this point. If you need to pause, that would be fine at this point. Students, once you are at this point, you are going to go to the top and click on the Careers tab. At the top there, you will see a couple different options. You're going to scroll down until you get to Explore, Career, Cluster, and Pathways. Click on that, and once there on the left-hand side, you will see Career Cluster Finder. So I was in Careers at the top. I clicked on Explore, Career, Clusters, and Pathways. When I got in here, I want to click on Career Cluster Finder. Teachers, again, make sure that all students have gotten to this point. If you have completed the survey, you will see this page here, which says you have completed the survey on this certain date. If you have not completed the survey, it will ask you to do the survey. Please don't do the survey yet. We will have you wait to do that at a later time if you have not completed. However, if you have taken the survey, you will see some of the clusters down below. Then the last video, we asked you to click on some of your favorites. So as you can see on mine, I've got a couple favorites here. If I click on the Show More button, I will scroll down and notice that I also have another cluster here for health sciences. You will want to have at least 3 clusters that are your favorites. And what I want you to do right now is use your pencil and paper and write down what your 3 top clusters are. Teachers, pause the video as students go ahead and do this. All right, once you have done that, we are now going to start selecting our careers. I'm going to pull up a diagram here that the teachers have a hard copy of. I'm going to put it up on the screen. This document shows all the different options for our career day based on the career clusters that we have. So for our business, finance, and marketing clusters, here are some different careers that are of interest or that we will have at career day. For health sciences, here's our different options, and so on and so forth. So what I would like you to do right now is look at your top career cluster and see what types of careers are under that career, under your favorites. Write down approximately 4 to 5 careers that you would like to do as you're doing this. Teachers, please pause the video as students do this. All right, once you have identified some careers of interest based on those selections there, I need you to go to your email account, your school email account. When you get into your school email account, you will see an email from Messenger called Career Day Sign Up. Teachers, make sure all students are at this email here. Once you are here, you will see that there is a website listed at the bottom. Please click on that website, go to the website for signing up for our Career Day schedule. Teachers, if students are having trouble, have them manually enter in that website. Once they get to that website, it will probably look like this. But what you will need to do is go into the top right corner and click on Login. When you click on login, you're going to want to click on log in with email. So click on log in with email. Now, all of us, log out here real quick. All of us have a similar email account, and you will need to use this username to get in here. What your username is going to be is your actual email per school. So I'm going to put in an example here, j12345@wdmcs.org. Obviously, you're going to put that in for what applies to you. Your password is just going to be the first part of your email, so it's going to be BJ12345 and then an exclamation point. Okay, so your username is going to be your email. Your password is just going to be the first part, BJ12345 exclamation point, and then click login. Once you get logged in, it's going to look like this. All right, and you will see all the different choices for our career day. Now, based on what you had picked earlier off of your selections, you can start looking to see if you can find those in here. Now, as we're doing this, they're going to start filling up. But you can start looking and seeing what are some of the options that you can have for that, or what are some of what's the description. I'm going to pick actuary as my first one. I'm going to scroll down and go to the green ones, and I'm going to click on athletic coach as my next one. And then I am going to click on data analytics as my next one. Again, you're picking whatever ones you want to pick. And then finally, for my fourth and last session, I'm going to pick attorney. All right. And again, for all of those, they're going to give you descriptions to kind of see what each of those are. So if you're not sure what it means, let's take a look. But realize, people are signing up and these will fill up fast. So make your selections fast. Once you have identified all of these, you're going to go up here, and it doesn't show it on mine, but you're going to click on My Sched. You will see My Sched listed here. Again, it's not showing on mine, but you'll click on My Sched. Once you click on My Sched, it will show you which ones you have picked here. What I need you to do, and what I need teachers to do, is make sure all students have 4 different careers that they have picked. Once you have picked all 4 of your careers and make sure they're all different, you can then log out or close out of the system. So you can just click the close button and you will be done. Everything will be saved. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me, but you are all set to go for Career Day. Thank you very much.